Let's transform our skirt into a simple knit skirt with gathers and elasticated waistband. Open the skirt with waistband file from the previous lesson. We will add ease to it by increasing its width by 10%. Now we will create the waistband. It will consist of two layers, outer waistband and elastic inner waistband. First, we will create sewing lines on the outer waistband. Select both long edges with Edit Pattern tool and right-click. Select Distribute Internal Line Between Segment and set the number of offsets to 2. Next, create inner waistband by copying and pasting the outer waistband, and then decrease the inner waistband length by 20%. To make sure that the waistbands don't collide, change their particle distance to 5. After this, sew waistbands together at the top and the bottom edges and at the internal lines. Create a symmetrical copy with sewing for the inner waistband. Sew the internal waistbands together at the short lines. Select the inner waistband's internal lines and add elastic property to them by going to Property Editor and ticking Elastic. After this, place the inner waistband on the avatar. To make sure it's placed under the outer waistband, right-click on it and select Superimpose Under. Now the waistbands are ready, let's adjust the skirt body. Delete darts on the skirts and turn them into rectangles. Now we will shorten the skirt. Select lower edge of the front and in right-click menu select Offset Pattern Outline. Set direction to retract and distance to 20 cm. Repeat for the other rectangle. Now we will resew the outer waistbands to the skirts and simulate. The folds under the waistband look a bit blocky, but we can make them look much better by applying shirring. Shirring reduces mesh on the small part of the pattern, improving its appearance without slowing down the simulation. To apply shirring, select the segment where you'd like it to be applied, in our case the upper edge of the skirt, and tick Shirring in Property Editor. Interval is the size of the mesh. The larger the number, the larger the mesh and thicker the folds. Height refers to how wide the shirring strip will be. Simulate again and adjust both shirring settings to achieve the best result.